Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be baking moi using muffin tray. Yes, muffin tray, baking moi, not the normal conventional way, isn't it? So these are the ingredients I'll be using for my moi. It's a different technique of making moi. You're going to watch me do it. Anyways, all these ingredients will be put on the description section, so check them out. If this is your first time of coming through my channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and don't forget to click on that notification bell, okay? So anytime I upload a new video, you will definitely be notified. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are super amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So I'll start by prepping the ingredients I'll be using for this baked moi recipe, and afterwards I'm going to blend the peppers separately. The peppers are ready. I'm going to go ahead and add them to the blender and blend them to a smooth paste. The pepper all done now, very smooth, and I'm gonna get my pan ready, add some sunflower oil and pour in my pepper. I'll stir for a couple of seconds and I'll allow it to heat for 3 good minutes. Whilst my pepper is heating for 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and pour my washed beans in the blender. So what I did the washing of the beans off the camera, so it's very easy to wash beans. They have different methods of washing beans. You can either use your blender or you use your hand. Anyways, I'll go on and add my crayfish and my all-purpose seasoning. This has got a different combination of different spices, which I'll put on the description section. And also I'll be adding my cooked and blended pepper. Be very careful, when it's too hot you don't want your blender to go bust, okay? So allow it to cool down a little bit before you pour that into the mixture. I'll go ahead and I'll blend everything together. All blended to perfection. I'm going to pour that into the bowl there and I'll give it a good mix, and also add some dry pepper. I love pepper a lot, so moi without pepper is a no-no for me. So I'm going to give it a good stir, then add my spring onions. After a good stir, I'm going to grease my muffin tray with some sunflower oil and then add my beans mixture. throw in some eggs into each of the mixture and put in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes max at gas mark 180 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, this is how my oven baked moi moi is looking. Isn't it lovely? It's looking inviting. This is another way of making moi moi if you don't want to use your foil or your moi moi plate. If you're still here up to this point, then you are the very VIP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. At this point, I'll say thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.